to my YouTube channel. So here I've come up with another video. You can take the screenshot of the context if you want, and now I will go through the problem statement. Write a query to report the latest login for all users in the year 2020. Exclude user who did not log in not at all in 2020, and declare the column user ID and timestamp, and the result should be ordered by user ID in ascending order. So we have to report the latest login for all the users in the latest login only in the year 2020. For example, user 6 logged into their account 3 times, but only once in 2020. So we include this login in the result table. User 8 logged in into their account 2 times in 2020, once in February and once in December. So we include only the latest one, December, in that table. And user 2 has logged into their account 2 times, but only once in 2020. So we include only this login in the table. And user 14 did not log in 2020. So we do not include them in the result table. So first we'll start from the logins table. So from logins, and here year should be 2020. So year, first we will filter out only 2020 column. So from logins as log, so this is a short name only. So where year of the timestamp is equals to 2020. First we will filter out this, and also we have to include only the latest login. So we have to include only the, basically I can say that the last value, right, last value in each partition. Select logins dot user ID, comma, I will use the last value windowing function here. Last value of logins dot timestamp over partition by logins dot user ID, and then order by logins dot timestamp ASC, where we should have the last value as the last underscore stamp, and where we have to write range between unbounded preceding and unbounded following. Also range between unbounded preceding and unbounded following also. And in this question we have to use the distinct keyword as well, and this should be ordered by 1. So order by 1. Let me just hit the submit button. Yeah, the answer is correct. So thanks guys for watching the video. Now we will meet in another session and another video. Until then, goodbye. Please do hit the like button. Please share the video as much as possible, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.